Hello everyone, welcome to my channel YouTube. US says Iranian drones breach sanctions. The US says it agrees with Western allies that Iran's supply of explosive drones to Russia violates UN sanctions. Kyiv was struck by so-called kamikaze drones on Monday, unleashed by Russia but believed to be Iranian-made. The US agrees with the French and British assessment that the drones violate UN Security Council Resolution 2231, the US State Department said. That resolution, linked to Iran's nuclear accord, bars Iranian transfers of certain military technologies. Ukraine has identified the drones, or unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, as Iranian Shahed-136 weapons. They are called kamikaze drones after the Japanese fighter pilots who flew suicide missions in World War II. It is our belief that these UAVs that were transferred from Iran to Russia and used by Russia in Ukraine are among the weapons that would remain embargoed under 2231, said Vedant Patel of the State Department. Iran denies supplying them to Russia, but Mr. Patel said the U.S. exposed publicly that Russia has received drones from Iran, that this was part of Russia's plan to import hundreds of Iranian UAVs of various types. He added that there was extensive proof of Russia's use of them in Ukraine. Critical infrastructure was hit on Monday in Ukraine's Kyiv, Dnipro and Sumy regions, with electricity cut in hundreds of towns and villages, the Kyiv government said. At least 8 people were killed, 4 in Kyiv and 4 in Sumy. The U.S. said it would hold Russia accountable for its war crimes. Thanks you for watching.